Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Facebook Ads Manager. First, navigate to Ads Manager from your Facebook business page or directly via the Business Tools menu. Once there, familiarize yourself with the dashboard, which is your central hub for all advertising activities. Next, ensure your ad account is properly set up, including your business information and payment methods. This foundational step is crucial for launching your first successful campaign and managing your advertising efforts efficiently. Understanding the campaign structure is key to effective advertising. Every ad campaign has 3 levels: the campaign itself, ad sets, and individual ads. Begin by selecting a clear campaign objective that matches what you want to achieve, whether it's increasing brand awareness, driving website traffic, or generating leads. Facebook offers 11 distinct objectives to guide your strategy, ensuring your efforts are focused and measurable from the start. Now, let's talk about reaching the right people. Facebook's robust targeting options allow you to define your audience by demographics, interests, and behaviors. You can also create custom audiences from your customer lists or website visitors, and then expand your reach with lookalike audiences. Carefully set your daily or lifetime budget and schedule your ads to run at the most impactful times, ensuring your spending is optimized for maximum return. Finally, it's time to bring your ads to life. Craft engaging ad creatives, combining eye-catching visuals with persuasive copy that resonates with your target audience. Choose from various ad formats, such as single image, video, or carousel, to best showcase your message. After launching, continuously monitor your campaign's performance using the provided metrics. Analyze what's working and make data-driven adjustments to optimize your ads for even better results over time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.